So we have day 4 at the NJCAA. I said NAIA, my bad. It's NJCAA Division 1 split. Day 4. Day 3 was the servers on ESPN Plus. They moved to ESPN Plus because we discontinued ESPN 3. And then you expect things in ESPN 3 for free. Either because they had deals with that. Or either we wanted to stay on ESPN 3 or we wanted to stay on ESPN Plus. Or it can be on ESPN Plus. You know? But yeah, we have Temple College 9-3 over Seminole State, Oklahoma. And we had Forest Hills State College 7-6. And Paris Junior College 6-3 over Northwest State. Odessa, Northeast 7 4-3 over Odessa College. That was the rain delays. It was a Odessa College, Northeast 7 Community College in the 5th inning rain day. And on the fields and run the fields, Paris Junior College and Northwest Florida State College in the 3rd inning. We had. And then the games got actually off ESPN. They took them down because they thought they weren't going to play them. The feeds in there's no feeds back up for us. Eastern Florida State, McCoy College 5-0. There's Florida State, Central Arizona Western. This got 4-2 win. And Santa Fe at 4-3 over Seminole State. So we had some third rounds in the morning, 4 third round games. And eliminations, Eastern Florida State won. Survived. Northwest Florida State started over Odessa College, right? Santa Fe started. And now we have 4 games going on. So far, we have Temple and Florida Southwestern State in Jacksonville, Alabama. The quarterfinal is that's going to be untelevised. 11 a.m. Eastern. And then there's a quarterfinal in Oxford, Alabama. Philip Paris Junior College and Northeast Alabama Community College at 10 a.m. Eastern. 9 local time. 11:15 East local time. 12:15 Eastern. Eastern Florida State College and Santa Fe College in the 4th round in the eliminations. And Odessa College and Northwest Florida State. 2:30 Eastern. Okay. And then you have to view. And let's view the. Oh. So we have Florida Southwestern Temple. And you saw Paris. And Odessa Trinity Valley. And Seminole State, Arizona Western. Odessa College, Northwest Florida State College, Eastern Florida State, Santa Fe College. Eastern Florida State and Santa Fe. And then we have that's right there in game 29. Oops. And then game 30 is Northwest Florida State and Northwest Florida State. And Eastern Florida State, Santa Fe. They have Odessa and Northwest Florida State. So games 30, 29, 31, 32 are going to play first, and it's going to be 29 30 in the eliminations. Okay. That's Odessa and Northwest Florida State. So Odessa and Northwest Florida State and Eastern Florida State and Santa Fe. And then that's it. And then I'm not sure if they'll have one. But they could have one. At 4:40. At 4:45 Eastern. And they can have one at 7 Eastern, which is 3:45 Central, and 6 Central, which is Northeast Alabama and Paris. The winner of game 30, the loser of the game 32 battles, the winner of game 30, and then the loser of game 31 battles the winner of game 29. You can battle that one. And then also, if the semifinals are different sites, the quarterfinals are different sites. So, and then so then I'll put the elimination at different sites. And then we'll have 35, 36, which is the eliminations. You can have Jacksonville and then travel to Oxford playing the second. Maybe they can't. Second field, they don't have bids to host anymore. Use the second field, so they have to use Jacksonville field. We'll see. And then game 35, 36, and 37. What can happen is maybe a 10 a.m. Eastern game for game 35, a 12:15 Eastern game, 9 Central, 15 Central, and then have a 1:30 Central, 2:30 Eastern game, and then a 3:45 Central, 4:45 Eastern game for game 38. Game 35 is the semifinals. The winner goes to the elimination. Winner goes to the championship. The loser goes to the eliminations. And then they have a quarterfinal. Technically quarterfinal, because the elimination, it's the quarterfinal. And then we have this semifinal, which is the championship, which is the elimination portion, with on 2 teams. And then the final. It's 9, 11, 15, 1, 3, 3, 4, 5 Central. And then 6 Central. If there's a game 39, which would mean there's a winner. Means the winner of game 37 beats the winner of game 35 and game 38. So that would be that. Oh yeah. A bit of change here in the NJCAA Softball World Series for Division 1. But there's a bit of a change, but it is what it is. Because game happened. You're gonna have to. But you can still have it on Saturday. The tournament done on Saturday. They can. But in Oxford, the weather, for the area, it looks like showers and thunderstorms. I'm talking like for each day, showers and thunderstorms. Every day there's a bit of showers and thunderstorm chances. There's bits. It's not just like 40%, 20%, 30%. No, it's like actually serious threats for a while, a good bit of the day. So, we might be pushed back to Sunday, maybe even Monday, of this NJCAA Division 1 softball tournament. Like the baseball tournaments for all 3 divisions will be finished before the NJCAA. I don't think it'll be that far where the NCAAs, at least the bracket portion will be finished of the NCAAs, which is till Sunday. I don't see that. I don't know if that could be. It's not too far fetched for Division 2, Division 3. Division 1 is Monday because there's more days of games. They spread it out a little bit more. That like the players and the coaches, all that stuff. They wanted more spread out days. They wanted more spread out. Like if you play on say Saturday, the elimination. When it's Thursday, you play the Saturday, and then if you win Friday, you play the elimination Sunday. So they wanted at least a little bit of time off instead of having 4 games, and then it was like Division 1, Division 2, Division 3 do it, whereas 2 games, whereas 4 at least on Friday or Thursday, all 4 teams play, and then it's Saturday, Friday with at least the 2 elimination games. Then it was Saturday with 2 winners games. And then it was elimination games featuring the winners from games 5 and 6 playing the winners of games 9, 8, 7, 8. Play the loser of games 7, 8. And then it was 11 to 14. That's how it typically is. Either with, 5 through 8, it depends on the division, but it's 5 through 8 one day. 9, 10 the next, or 5 and 6 one day, then 7, 8, 9, and 10 day 3. And Division 2, one of them does 5 and 6 first, one of them does as the 2-day one does 9 and 10. It's still similar enough. That's how Division 1 used to be. And they would be done on Sunday. Now it goes to Monday because of that. So, and see, I don't think Division 1 will be, or Division, Division 2 and 3 could be done the same day as the Division 1 NJCAA. It could, because, if the elimination team wins game 36, and wins game 37, they'll play 2 games, or if the loser of game 35 wins game 37, I guess either way, there'll be 2 games played, so 30 would be Sunday then, because they don't play more than 2 games a day. So in SUPA, so.